Hey, welcome back. Let's see how to keep coriander fresh for a month. This coriander is much better in terms of dirt, so I'm not going to wash it. These flowers are good to eat, so I'm not going to throw them. Do not take the leaves which are yellow or black in color. Take the roll and put it inside that jar so that you get a layer of the tissue. Now place the coriander leaves inside this jar. Make sure that you wrap coriander leaves well. Take one more piece of tissue and keep above it. Let me show you my earlier coriander box. It has been more than 25 days that I had kept this coriander in fridge. You can see it's still fresh and green. If you find any black or yellow leaves, please take out, otherwise it will ruin all the coriander. Water droplets will appear inside the box, so make sure you wipe them off every week. So this is how I store coriander for about a month. You may also use cotton cloth, which is a more sustainable option than these kitchen tissues. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.